Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Wondfo APTT test reagent kit. This is used in the Wondfo optical coagulation analyzer. I can see here, so it says Wondfo activated partial thromboplastin time reagent kit, clotting time. You can see this is to be used for Wondfo optical coagulation analyzer use only. You can see the key contents inside are 24 individual pouches, test strip and leaflets with IFU for use. And here you can see this is a 24 test kit pack. You can see the reference part number is W481. The lot number is also given, and you have a standard expiry period of 18 months. You can see this is this is it. Okay, I'm going to show this around. It says the reagent is for use in one more optical coagulation analyzer only. Also you can see the certification body. You can see the manufacturing location is from Guangzhou, Wondfo Biotech Company Limited in China. There you go. See this here. I'll unbox this for you. I got it open for you. See this in the inside. Inside you get an IFU brochure. You can see this here. It says APTT reagent kit, which is activated partial thromboplastin time reagent kit. You can see this here. I'll just open this for you. You can see this here. It says activated partial thromboplastin time reagent kit clotting is used along with the optical coagulation analyzer model number OCG102 for quantitative measurement of activated partial thromboplastin time, which is called shortly APTT, in citrated venous whole blood. So you can see there's a test procedure, and you can see the precautions and the material contents here, storage, and how to prepare your specimen, and how to conduct your test, and how to interpret your results. You have the complete details in this IFU for doing this test. This has to be particularly used only with the Wondfo coagulation analyzer machine. Got the IFU brochure, and inside you have 24 cartridges here. I can just pull two for you. Just keep it here. You can see this here. It says Wondfo activated partial thromboplastin time reagent kit. You can see the reference part number is W481. You have the lot number and also the expiry period in the individual pouch. The other side of the pouch shows the manufacturing location and the CE certification. This is how the total test kits looks like. You got 24 here. Just close this. If you see, today we just quickly to summarize. Today we have seen the unboxing of activated partial thromboplastin time reagent kit, which is shortly called APTT reagent kit, which will be used in the Wondfo optical coagulation analyzer machine from Wondfo. In the 24 test kit pack, you can see in the 24 test kit pack you have one IFU brochure and 24 cartridges. Yeah, I can just keep this open actually. Yeah, 24 cartridges. This is how the total test kits looks like. Okay, thank you.